started filling this bad boy up again. Trying to also test out the buoyancy of the filter and how well this heater, which is really annoying, heats up the water tonight. I'm going to look online to see why. See, these are just kind of loose. I'll be upholstering them tomorrow. I ran out of adhesive and I don't have any alternatives, so can't really do anything with that tonight. But they are fastened in place at the ends. So for all intents and purposes, all the supporting and everything of this pond is finished. Just need to do the lids and pull these two tight, finish upholstering them, adhere them together. Then I need the pumps, and the filters can be hooked up back into this sucker cycling.